Okay, hello mathers. Sorry, I'm going to fix this a little bit. The 2 pages I took out for you today, thinking about doing some challenge kind of thinking and demonstration of your understanding. This one is, what I like is that it's moving a numeral amount around and making changes with it. This one is different because we haven't done a lot with 10 blocks in addition capacities. It's a good way of making certain that what's called abstract and concrete are blended together. And the concrete is by giving these amounts that you can see right in front of you, then just up here, abstract, to give you kind of the validation and verification of your thinking. This is particularly useful as you move forward because base 10 blocks is used a lot in first grade, probably more than we use it in kindergarten. So we wanted to provide exposure to base 10 blocks in kindergarten. So it's familiar work when you get to first grade and you're really moving around because you use the 10s, that's these strips, and the 1s, but then there's a whole square that is 100. And that's used way more in first grade than we did in kindergarten. So let's just take a look at these. This first one here, there's a numeral that's in an oval. That's the numeral that you start with. And then there's 3 directions to change that numeral. So for example, of course, name at the top of the paper. The first numeral, if you read it with me, is 462, 462. And the first task says, what number is 1 more? So right over there, with the math equation, 462 plus 1 equals, and then you write the number here. Then, from this number again, 462, what number is 10 less? So now you're switching. 462 minus 10 equals, and then you write the number there. Next direction for this number is, what number is 100 less? 462 minus 100 equals. There's 4 different examples. Each one has different jobs in them. And then what I like about this, it just gives you something else to do with numbers that's different than just adding or subtracting, or I can do this. You can also have someone tell you from the other room, okay, Mom, I'm writing the number 597. Tell me to add or subtract to that. What? You tell me a number, and if I should add it to 597, or I should subtract it from 597. Okay. So you write number 597 down. I'm ready. Minus 302. Okay, Ma. Thanks. Then on your paper, you would write 597 minus 302. Hey, Dad. And then you continue. Or you could just do it yourself, of adding, subtracting from that numeral. It's going to give you addition work, subtraction work, and then also just puts a different spin on it. I hope you'll consider that. The other page is this one. And this one, it's a quick and easy page, but what you're doing is counting those up and writing the numeral here, and then counting those up, writing the numeral here, and then put equals and the amount. You can see, because there's mixed tens, it's going to be 2-digit plus 2-digit equals the next one. Base 10 blocks, practice, double-digit to double-digit addition work. And that's it. That gives you those practice things to do, and then you're ready. Okay, thanks for mathing. Bye, Carla.